Hello and welcome to one more video of Boxinfo. Today we are going to unbox this Epson E01 projector. So this is the retail package. Here are some product description. This is not the actual MRP price. You can get lower than this one. I will leave a link in the description of Amazon. So this is the model number E01. So let's open the box. So the packaging is very good. The projector is very secured inside, so you can transport in from courier or anything. You're not going to damage the product. So these are some templates which you can use if you are a retailer or a seller of this brand here. So these are the documents which you get here. So just the product detail and everything to just get started with the things. So how much temperature you have to maintain, what are the things here. If you want, you can pause the video and take a screenshot of this one. And again, this is just a support here. So we do have this I think it's a warranty card. This is the warranty card. Yep. And one more product detail and what other model number do this brand provide is given here. So yep, what should we do and what should we not to do is written on this drawing here. So this is the product Epson EB01. We do have a remote here, that's good to see. Power cord. Let me just keep this aside. So yeah, that's a very cute little remote here. So we do have all the options here. You can control it from your laptop or your direct remote here. Let me keep this aside. Let me take this out of the box here. So it's not so heavy here. It's a very lightweight projector. So we do have one more cord here. And this is a USB type C to the old, yeah, it's a very old connection here. Yep. Oh, we do have a battery. Yeah, the battery is for the remote. Toshiba. Oh, that's a good brand. Yes, that's it. This is what we get in the box here. Let me keep this box aside. So this is the brand here, Epson E01. The packaging is very good here. Let me just remove this covering here. So I'm not actually purchasing this one. This product has been given for me for this unboxing purpose. So if you want to check out their website, I will leave a link in the description. Yeah, the peeling. Now let's peel this thing. Oh yeah, it's always a pleasure to unbox and peel this plastic. It just brings a happiness on the face. So here we have some manuals. This is patterns and these are some warning which you need to avoid. So this is the focus which you are going to control, and this is the back side of the projector. Yeah, we do have a HDMI input and a VGA input. So this is the speaker. I'll show you the sound quality also. So we do have a Kensington lock here for if you want to lock this, if you are you are using this in an environment where like education purpose, so you can lock that. So here we do get a tripod mount, so you can mount it here by using this tripod mount, or you can ceiling mount this one. There is a accessory for that one. So there is this is the lens. We do have a IR sensor here. So this is the stand, adjustable stand. Oh, that's very cute. If you want to lift the projector a little bit, you can adjust that one. So it's a totally adjustable if you want to put this on a bench or a table here. So this is how you adjust the focal length of the projector, I guess. We do have this adjustable knobs here, so you can adjust the height if you want to level it here. If your bench is not level, you can use this to adjust. This is the tripod mount or a ceiling mount screw. So you need to purchase that mounting plate differently, because the box does not contain the mounting plate here. You need to purchase that one as an accessory. So this is it. These are the things which comes in the box. So let's see these some buttons here. We do have a status, lamp and temperature. So it requires a certain temperature to project properly the image, and there is a fan inside to regulate that a proper flow of air to cool down the lens if it is heating up. So this is just a filter to clean that one. You don't want to damage your lens here. So you can clean that lens or clean that filter by just purchasing a newer one. You can clean that one also. So this is the knob where you can adjust the focal length of the lens or projector, you can say. So it's a very smooth here. We do have a manual here. There is no automatic focusing system here, so you have to manually adjust the focal length of the projector. As you can see, it's moving here. Yeah, guys, try to avoid direct contact to this projector when it's lit, because it has a very intense bright here, so it might damage your eye. So I don't recommend you to see the projector when it's in full brightness. Try to avoid that one. So I'm going to plug this here. I'm sorry if you get some background noise here. I'm just plugging it in my hall. So I have plugged the HDMI cable here to my laptop, and as you can see, this started displaying the screen here. So the lens is actually heating up first. It has to come on a certain temperature, then it will project a clear image on the wall or a paper, what you can say. Yeah, the image is actually very clear here. I'm actually projecting this on a non-even surface here, but as you can see, it's around 100, maybe it's 100 inches display, 100-inch projection here. So yeah, the clarity is very good here, you can see. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions regarding this projector, just let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, Jai Hind.